The Homebody Fabric Collection by Maureen Cracknell celebrates the unspoken magic of being home. This 16-piece quilting cotton selection is filled with cheerful florals, cozy feathers, and soft textures. Maureen's famous large-scale florals are so lifelike that you can almost smell the fresh botanical scent from the fabric. Fussy cut these beautiful bouquets or use as a quilt backing for a romantic boho finishing touch. There are so many great projects you can make with Homebody fabrics, but home decor is at the top of our list. The more florals, the better. This all-over detailed garden of blooms grows with delight off the elegant textured background. It's raining florals in this adorable ditzy floral design. Choose from 2 great colorways to fit into any of your sewing and quilting creations. This striking watercolor fan motif is just the print to add to your home to create some sophisticated charm. On a creamy white background, this unique stencil design is a great print to build on to your stash. This way or that way, this print says both. With simplistic arrow elements measuring about 2 inches long, this is definitely a fun blender to use in your quilts and to use as a standalone print in an array of different sewing projects. For more jaw-dropping prints, try incorporating this handsome red, orange, and navy weave pattern and this native tapestry print into your home decor projects. Homebody introduces us to this must-have blender that you will have to add to your collection with 2 yummy shades to choose from. Delicate floating feathers on a peach pink and honey gold background. These beautiful curved feathers all in a row will add a feminine, airy feel to any space. The domestic charm print showcases sketchy triangle shapes, scattered so perfectly throughout 2 great background colors. Choose from an earthy golden brown or a creamy eggshell background. Homebody was created to create the most stunning quilts. Try your hand at making the sanctuary free quilt pattern. This giant star-inspired design will be an extraordinary piece to create for your home. Each print in the Homebody collection embodies warmth, thoughtfulness, and invites us to construct pretty items to fill our living spaces. Enjoy cutting this magical collection to create powerful patchwork designs. Try creating the sunflower block by following along to our free block tutorial from the AGF quilt block collection. The link for this block will be in the description box below. The fun definitely doesn't stop here. Garment sewers, take a look at this luscious knit substrate. We suggest you make cute tops and leggings to match. This delicate ditzy floral in our rayon substrate is just the print to make this easy throw-on-and-go style dress. To make this dress, check out the Homebody Fabric Lookbook by clicking the link below. Our favorite part of the creating process is choosing our fabrics for our next project. Here are the pure solids and AGF elements we think are the winning fabrics to mix with Homebody fabrics. Blue Mineral Deco Stitch, Nocturnal, Crystalline, Toasty Walnut, Golden Bronze, Raw Gold, Weathered Brick, Grapefruit, and Blushing Pure Solids, and Ballerina Floral Elements. Alright makers, you're all set to get your hands on Homebody fabrics and start sewing all the pretty projects. We can't wait to see the beauty you make with these fabrics. Until next time, happy sewing.